Welcome viewers. For advanced learners, this is video will be on the subject of medieval period of English literature. Means for advanced learners, I would like to suggest one tip that they have to consult different reliable sources. Like if they go through the history of English literature written by Compton Rickett, then that will be very useful. So initially, I'll be discussing the major periods of English literature, and after that, I'll be covering some major authors, poets, novelists, and dramatists also. So the medieval period comes after the Anglo-Saxon period. The period is starting from 1066 AD and it runs till 1485 AD. And the major works of this period are Martyr Arthur and Canterbury Tales. And some facts of this period are that literature is mostly rooted in religion. You will find the religious literature. And this was the age of faith. Themes were religious and they were dealing with the moral lives of the saints, further values and ethics. So you will find that morality and religious themes were very common in the literature of medieval period. The literature had a theocentric view, means it was rotating around the God and church. It begins with the fall of the Roman Empire and ends at the beginning of the Renaissance. Renaissance is a very major period I'll be discussing in my next videos, and it developed stories of chivalry to promote Christianity. So this is a very important point that you have to keep in your mind, because you will find some questions based on these ideas. An epic, lyric, narrative and theatre were the genres used in this age. The Divine Comedy and Beowulf are the some outstanding works of this period. So this was a very brief introduction. Some key points you have to bear in your mind, that a large amount of medieval literature is anonymous, means you will not find the name of the authors and poets. In this age, women were not accorded with men, means they were not getting the equal status in the society, and allegory is so prominent in the works of this era just to convey the moral lessons. And the topics of the writings were religious writings and secular writings. And some major authors of this period are William Longland, John Gower, Roger Bacon, William Caxton, Geoffrey Chaucer, John Wycliffe, Robert Manning. And in conclusion, I would like to say that travel literature was popular. A new poetry of courtly love became popular in this age, and prose tales first emerged in Britain. So this period is important as prose tales came first time in England. So this was a very short introduction about the medieval period of English literature. I hope that this will support to your knowledge and this will help you in attending some questions in the competitions. Please like, share and subscribe English Solutions by SP Singh.